I've been living in the South now for 12 years, and what I've learned is bacon goes on vegetables. Actually, bacon is a vegetable. Down here in the South, we've got some meat math that you Northerners may not quite understand. But what I do know is this savory Southern bacon, green beans, and rice for $1.23 in 20 minutes using just what's in your cupboard is what Southern dreams are made out of. Welcome to another episode of Make It Monday, where I take one of my easy 30-minute loaded potato recipes and show you how delicious and easy it is to make using canned and pantry staples. Got 20 minutes and $1.25 a person? This delicious dinner is all yours. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I'm the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rig system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make delicious, quick meals for about $1 or $2. No more hours of prep. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll be sure that you never have to worry about dinner again. I'm hungry, so let's get started on this savory Southern bacon, green beans, and rice. We're gonna start with a pot on the stove and add 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Now we're gonna turn the stove on medium-high and bring the rice to a boil. Once your rice is nice and cooked and there's still a little bit of water left inside there, we're gonna give it one more stir and our heat is completely off, and we're gonna cover it and set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes to let the rice finish cooking while we work on our other ingredients. So in another pot on medium-high, we're going to combine 2 cans of drained green beans, 1 can of drained diced tomatoes, a half a cup of bacon bits, 2 tablespoons of dry onions, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Now we're just gonna stir this all together on medium-low and let it all heat up together. All right, once your green beans are thoroughly heated, your rice should be fully cooked as well. So now all we gotta do, plate up some rice, top it with some bacon green beans, and now the finishing touch, French fried onions. Now the only thing to do is dig in. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. And there you have it. Easy Southern bacon, green beans, and rice, all for about $1.23 using ingredients straight from your pantry. Now, let me know in the comments if you think bacon is a meat or a garnish. At a restaurant a couple weeks ago, I wanted a salad but with no meat. So she brought it out and it had no chicken but still had bacon on it. I said, "Oh, I'm sorry, miss, I asked for no meat." And she said, "Oh, it's not meat, that's just bacon." So if that doesn't sum up living in the South, I don't know what does. But be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time. Now I made this Southern bacon, green beans, and rice to serve 5, but check out the recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people. Which is great if you have a big family or just want extra leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator if you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry to make it a moment's notice, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other pantry loaded potato meal for 1 meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.